Welcome to this tutorial. While building a page, it's common to try different layouts, content, or design ideas. Sometimes you may want to compare different versions or return to an earlier stage of your work. Version history in Gridbox allows you to save multiple versions of the same page and restore them whenever needed. It provides a safe way to experiment, track your progress, and protect your work from unwanted changes. In this video, we'll learn how to save page versions, restore them, manage existing versions, and configure version history settings. To save a new page version, click the More icon next to the Save button in the toolbar and select Save to Version History from the drop-down menu. The current state of the page is now stored and can be restored at any time. To restore a saved version, open the Page menu in the toolbar and select Version History. In the Version History panel, simply click the version you want to restore. The page will immediately return to that saved state. If you want to keep the selected version and continue editing it, save the page to make it the current version. You can also manage your saved versions directly from the Version History panel. To rename a version, click the Edit icon, enter a new name, and save your changes. If a version is no longer needed, click the Delete icon and confirm the action to remove it from the history. Version history also includes several settings that help automate and manage page versions. In the Version History panel, navigate to the Global Settings tab. Here, you'll find the following options. Autosave. Enable autosave to let Gridbox automatically create a new page version every time the page is saved. The Max Versions option defines how many automatically saved versions are kept for each page. When the limit is reached, the oldest versions are removed automatically. The Cleanup option removes all saved page versions from the version history. Version history allows you to save important milestones, experiment with confidence, and restore previous versions whenever necessary. Combined with autosave, version history provides an additional layer of protection for your work and makes managing complex page development much easier. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.